So parking crashes rarely result in injuries, but they often result in expensive repairs. Parking assistance features can help drivers avoid these kinds of crashes that are very common and often leave them without a car for several days, if not weeks, and a big repair bill. There are a lot of different parking assistance features available on cars today. The most basic is sensors that detect things that are close to the car and issue warnings inside the car. In some cases, that can be combined with automatic braking. Some of the sensors look to the sides to detect crossing traffic behind. And there are also cameras, of course, to give drivers a view behind the vehicle that he couldn't get with his own eyes or by looking in the mirrors. Okay, here's how rear auto brake works. There are sensors on the car that detect things behind me. I'm going to back up without paying attention. The sensors will detect the car behind us and automatically apply the brakes. There you have it. I never touched the brakes. The car did all the braking by itself. So the tests that we do to identify effective rear crash prevention systems basically involve backing up the car toward another car or fixed object and measuring how soon the automatic braking intervenes to prevent that crash. The more situations covered by the auto braking, the better the rating. Based on our work that shows that these parking assistance features are indeed helping people avoid being in crashes, we've set up a new consumer information rating program that helps consumers identify those cars that have the features that are going to be most effective at preventing crashes in parking situations. The rear crash prevention ratings are done on a scale ranging basic, advanced, and superior. Of the 6 vehicles we evaluated today, the Cadillac XT5 and Subaru Outback earned superior ratings. The other 4 are advanced, so all 6 vehicles are doing a good job of helping drivers avoid being in backing crashes. So the reason we launched the rear crash prevention ratings was to encourage automakers to fit more of their vehicles with the more effective technologies. Hopefully in doing that, more consumers will choose them and there will be fewer crashes in parking situations.